Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. So let me introduce myself. I am Om Shrirao, a pre-final year BTech undergrad from Vishweshwarya National Institute of Technology, VNIT Nagpur. I am really excited to be here with you today. I believe math is not just about the numbers. It's about the solving real life problems, develop the logical thinkings, and even having fun with solving the puzzles. So for this today I am having a quick puzzle for you. So are you ready? See, quick puzzle is all about listen to me carefully, right? Let me think one number, right? Then add a 5 to it and I am getting a 12. Have you listened? Let me think one number and adding a 5 to it and I am getting a 12 as an answer. So can you tell me what is the number I am thinking of? See students, see what I am thinking, like let's say the number be x, what I am thinking, right? Now if I add a 5 to it, right? We are adding the 5 to the number. We are thinking that x is the number. We are adding 5 to it and we are getting, it becomes 12. What it becomes? It becomes 12. X plus 5 is equals to 12. This is what the linear equation is. We have just formed a linear equation in one variable. Linear equations has a lot of importance in our everyday life. It comes in every calculations, even when you are managing your pocket money, when you are finding the age of your relatives or your siblings or your brothers or your sisters, in everywhere. So are you ready to master this skill? See student, this is the linear equation in one variable. Now let us see the definition of the linear equation in one variable. What it says? It says a linear equation in a one variable is an equation that involves only one variable. Only one variable. What we have just seen, it's about, we seen only x is the variable, right? X is the variable. The highest power of the variable is 1. So how many of you have calculated the answer? Tell me. Previously we have seen one problem. See, x plus 5 is equals to 12. We can solve. X is equals to 12 minus 5 and x is equals to 7. How many of you have got the 7 as the correct answer? Yes. Very good. See, now we are discussing about the definition. What definition says? Once again, see. It's about a linear equation in a one variable is an equation that involves only one variable and the highest power of that variable is 1. Let me give one example, right? See children's, age puzzle. This is the age puzzle we are discussing. See, Aditi is a 4-year younger than her brother. Aditi is, she is a 4-year younger than her brother. The sum of their age is 28. And what is her brother's age? Many of you are siblings or a single child also. But if you are having a siblings or having a brothers or a sister, you can relate the age difference. Okay, see, this age puzzle help you to master that. Aditi is 4 years younger than her brother, right? And the sum of their age is 28. Now, what is her brother's age? See, student. Let the brother's age be x. Okay. See, let the brother's age be x. Because we are finding the Aditi's age in the terms of her brother. Right. Let the brother's age be x. Then the age of the Aditi will simply becomes x minus 4. What it becomes? X minus 4. Because she is 4 years younger. 4 years younger. Her age is 4 years less than her brother. Right. Now, what we have told that the sum of their ages, like the brother's age, x plus Aditi's age. What is the Aditi's age? X minus 4. That is equals to what we have told? That is the 28. This is the simple linear equation in one variable we have just formed. Right. See, 2x minus 4 is equals to 28. See, this x plus x becomes 2x minus 4 equals to 28. Now 2x is equals to what, student? 32. And simply we can say the x value. What will be the x value? Simply we get the x value we will get x is equals to 32 by 2. That is simply 16. Now what we got? 16. That is the x. What is the x? X is the age of the brother. And the age of the Aditi will be what? What will the age of Aditi? It will be simply x minus 4. That will be 12. That will be 12. This is the simple equation. This is the simple example we have seen. Now let us move to the another example. Tell me one thing. Do you get the pocket money from your parents? Is it a weekly or a monthly? Tell me. See, we are just now discussing about the pocket money problem because it will help you while figuring out the money for you with your parents, right? See, you get a 50 rupees as a pocket money each week. You get 50 rupees as a pocket money each week. You spend 20 rupees on a snack and have the rest, right? After X weeks, you will have saved 120 rupees. After X weeks, you will have saved 120 rupees. Can you find how many weeks you save for? Tell me. See, you are getting a pocket money 50 rupees. That is per week. 1 week 50 rupees. In second week, it will become 50 plus 50, 100. Right? You spend 20 rupees on a snack and have the rest. Right? After X weeks, you will have saved around 120 rupees. Right? Let's see what it says. Weekly saving is what? That is 50 minus 20 becomes 30. In 1 week, you save 30 rupees. Now, if you done this for the X weeks, right? For X weeks, then the savings for the X weeks becomes 30 multiplied by X. That is your total saving. That is your total saving for X weeks. 30 rupees is for 1 week. For X weeks, it becomes 30X. And you have so saved total, that is 120 rupees. So the X value becomes 120 divided by 30. It becomes 4. What becomes? X equals to 4. So the answer should be 4 weeks. You can save the 120 rupees after the 4 weeks. Right? Very good. Now there is a one again interesting one. Do you means you love to watch the movies in a theater with your friends or your families? Tell me. Is it true? Or your fathers or mothers scold at you when you ask them for going for a theater with your friends? Yeah? See, we are discussing the new question about the movie tickets. See, you and your friends are going to watch movie. Right? You buy 4 tickets and spend a total of 240 rupees. All the ticket costs are same. What is the price of one ticket? See, I have given one hint also in this question. That is let the ticket price be X. Now, tell me one thing. How will you decide which term should be taken as X? See, there is a simple understanding. What we have asked in the question about what is the price of one ticket. Right? Before that, read a question once again. It's saying your friends are going for a movie, right? You buy 4 tickets and spend a total of 240 rupees, right? You buy the 4 tickets. You have the total money that you have spent 240. How many tickets you have bought? That is the 4 tickets. Now, what is the ticket price? That you should assume as a X. So, the simple equation becomes that 4 times of one ticket price, that is X, that is simply equals to 240. Now, the X will become 240 by 4. It will be simply 60. So, what is the price of a one ticket, students? It is a 60 rupees, right? This is the simple equation. This is the simple linear equation in one variable. So students, see, so in this short learning lecture, we have seen that how to solve the linear equations and how it helps in our everyday problems, right? Like figuring out the someone's age, the movie tickets, or your pocket money, right, students? So see what we have learned. We have learned what a linear equation is. Now, how to solve it step by step. We have also seen how to solve it step by step, right? And how it applies to the real life situation. How it applies to the real life situations. So, in this video, I hope you all have enjoyed the learning as much as I enjoyed teaching today. Thank you for your attention and participation. It made my class really fantastic. Thanks for watching, students. Stay connected for the more concepts like this with the simpler and simpler way of teaching, right? And again, don't forget what we have seen on our first slide. We have seen that math gives us hope that every problem has a solution, right? Okay, you should know that the math gives us always a hope, right? Math gives us hope that every problem around you has a solution. You just have to figure it out, how to solve it, how to form it in the form of the equations and get answer, right? So thanks for watching. Thank you.